you're in the back again, right?
Give me this shit. Give me this.
The end he'll be in the back.
I don't know what he's doing.
Get out of here.
Oh, he put it in my cart. I see how it is. All right, that's fine.
That's backwards. What? I had nothing to do with it. If it's coming down. Put it in his cart.
Let's go. Let's go. I made it. Well, we're back for a bonus race, doing a super speedway race with the... Okay, fine then. Back for a bonus race, doing a little super speedway action. Love it, with a little leader outside the cones action. Pretty fun. Let's go. So we got the big old oval going on. And every time that the leader hits that cone section right there, they have to take the cones. So it'll help keep us bunched up, and should be some good racing. Do a little bump draft in here. Boy, I'm getting pushed through. All right. Oh boy, my tires are a little a little cold. I started sliding through there. We got a file in here. Let's go, bud. Bump draft. Let's go. Bump draft. Bump draft. This is already way better than my last few super speed races. Some of them have been such big disasters that I couldn't even upload the footage. So this is going great. I'm a big fan. I think we might be able to upload this one. Oh goodness, these tires. Usually you're not losing traction there, that's for sure. Okay, holding the outside, not too bad. All right, good, good, good. Definitely rewards good throttle control in the corners. Not like sharp movements so that you don't lose traction. Scrub all the way out to the wall. Stuff like that. Oh! Bruh. Get over there, Clay. That's what you get for coming in there. Oh, goodness. Coming out in first again? Okay. Get in there, bud. Get in there. Get in there. Come on, Tom. Throw that checkered flag. Come on, Tom. Throw it. Throw it. Throw the checkered. Throw it. Tom, no. Tom, you didn't do what I asked. I asked you to throw the checkered. You didn't do it. I asked you to throw that checkered. He's got it in his hand. How many more laps is it gonna be? How many more laps? Come on, Tom. Throw that checkered. Throw it. Throw it now. Throw it now. God bless America. Oh, God, it's so fun doing the super speedway. It's so fun. I love this course. Let's go! Let's go! We did it! Let's go!